You are listening to the Call to Action podcast, where we aim to inspire, educate, and inform entrepreneurs and self-starters on tech and tips related to navigating this ever-changing world. Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to episode 7 of the Call to Action podcast. My name is Shantae, and I am the host. I am the blogger. I am the podcaster. I am the entrepreneur that is here to help you with your DIY marketing with the Call to Action podcast. So let's do our usual motivational quote. I have a good one. Today's motivational quote is actually from Confucius. So here is episode 7's motivational quote. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. So take that with you as you go throughout your day. I'm going to take that with me as I go throughout my day. So let's move forward to today's topic, and it is about the Twitter app. I'm going to share with you 3 cool ways to use your Twitter app. So the first segment, I'm going to show you how to find the QR code reader that is in the Twitter native app. Next, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes with the Twitter reader. And the third topic for today is how to use that custom QR code that Twitter created for all of us so that you can increase your followers. Here are the steps to finding the QR code reader that is in the Twitter native app. So first, if you don't already have the native app installed on your device, download it from the App Store. Once you get it downloaded, log into Twitter. If you don't already have an account, then just join Twitter and create one. It's fun, it's free, and it is fast. Once you have logged in, tap on your profile icon that's on the top left corner of the Twitter native app. And if you have an image uploaded, then you will see that. If not, then you'll see the placeholder. Either way, this will work. Just tap on that image in the top left corner. And what's going to happen is you're going to expand a menu, which is the Twitter native app menu. You're going to see profile, lists, bookmarks, moments, etc. But what you want to do is look for that funny looking square that's in the bottom right corner. That is the icon for the Twitter QR code reader. Now that we've located the QR code reader inside of the Twitter native app, I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes. Tap on that icon and it's going to open the Twitter QR code reader. You're going to see a QR code on the screen. We're going to come back to that in the next segment. Tap on that square that is under that image. That is actually opening up the QR code reader. Next, go to Twitter on your computer. Go to my Twitter page on CTA Marketing, and there is a QR code at the top of my screen on my profile in the banner. Place your phone's camera over that QR code that is on my profile page. You're going to be prompted to open external URL. Tap OK, because what that's going to do is take you to the page that shows my previous podcasts. And then now you can get caught up. If you haven't already done so, you can listen to my previous podcasts. It's really that easy. So you just scanned a QR code. See how easy that was? You can scan QR codes that are printed in magazine articles, on business cards, in store displays. You can use the Twitter native app to scan just about any QR code. So now that you know how to do this, go and find other QR codes to scan, and you'll get really good practice, and you'll see how practical this activity is. And then you're probably going to get some ideas of how you can use it to promote your product or service. If you missed the previous episode of the Call to Action podcast, I actually gave some really good ideas on how you can use QR codes to promote your product, your service, or your business. So make sure you go back and listen to episode 6. Now that we've found the Twitter QR code reader in the native app and we have scanned a QR code, I'm going to show you how you can use your custom Twitter QR code to increase your followers. To access your personalized Twitter QR code, let's go back to the Twitter app, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner, and then tap on the Twitter icon on the bottom right side of the screen. That is going to expose or display your custom Twitter QR code. You can long press on that Twitter QR code and you're going to get two options. You can either save it to your device or you can share it. Depending on what you want to do, choose your option. It's probably easy for right now to just long press it and then tap save and it'll save it directly to your phone. If you wish to email it, then tap the option that says share, and then it will give you options on how to share your custom QR code. From there, you can send it to be printed on materials such as flyers or books or posters or other signage. So if you have a brick and mortar store, for example, you can print your Twitter QR code onto printed materials and share that on your printed items and increase your followers because they'll be easily able to access your Twitter profile simply by scanning your QR code. The possibilities are really endless when it comes to promoting yourself with your Twitter QR code. You can also embed it into a presentation so that people can easily scan it and follow you on Twitter. So if you're starting to see the big picture now, you can really see how this can work for you to increase your followers. And what I found that the cool thing about the Twitter QR codes is that they come in many colors. If you tap on your QR code, you'll notice it will change color. So it will go from orange to pink to purple to green to blue. So you get many options that you can use for that. And then also your image is still embedded in the middle of that Twitter customized QR code. So I hope that you have found this information both inspiring and informative. And if you are using your Twitter QR code for promotions, I'd love to see it. So you can send it directly to me on Twitter at CTA Marketing, and I'd gladly share it. And I think it's really cool. I'm going to share mine so that you can see what I've done with mine as well. Thank you for joining me on this episode of the Call to Action podcast. Make sure to visit me on my blog at ctamarketing.biz. There, you can find articles for entrepreneurs and self-starters on tech and tips to help navigate this ever-changing world. Until next time.